So here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to add Direct Express card to your Cash app I found on Quora. So yeah, you can use Direct Express card with Cash app. To do this, you need to add your Direct Express card as a payment method in the Cash app. And this is how you do it. Just follow these 5 steps. Open your Cash app and then launch the app on your device. Tap on the bank icon or the My Cash tab, depending on the current version of your app. Then add a card, select add a bank or add credit card. In this case, I think you should choose add credit card. Input your Direct Express card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. So for then you have follow any additional prompts to verify your card. Once added, you should be able to use your Direct Express card for a transaction within Cash App. Keep in mind that there may be fees for certain transactions, so it's good to review Cash App's fee structure. As simple as that, you launch your Cash App, go under My Cash tab, add the credit card, and after you added the credit card, you can use your Direct Express credit card within the Cash App. So just follow these steps and you have your Direct Express card ready to go.